when you are a student, a lot of people told you about the statistics that say that women are underrepresented in some industries that you naturally go in after graduating from HEC. So I think this academy helps them to gain self-confidence, but also open their mind about all the possibilities that can exist. I think we wanted to say that think big, aim huge, and don't take the barriers that actually doesn't exist. I'm Inès Guenouni. I graduated from HEC in 2021. Now I'm a consultant, but I still have this connection with HEC through this women in business environment. I was president of the club on campus when I was at HEC, and we created this academy this year with Delphine and Amar Taki.
Hi, I'm Delphine Moureau. I'm the director of HEC in the UK, and in this academy, I was the co-director of the academy. And the academy was based on a book I have co-authored, which is called Take the Lead. So the academy was based on empowerment and confidence. I think there is no magic, only unique recipe for success. And what was really nice is that the participants could visit lots of companies and meet lots of alumni and friends who shared with them their personal experiences, their professional paths, and each of them was, of course, very different. So there is no one way, and it's for each of them now to discover their own path, and we hope the Academy will bring them this additional bit of confidence to find the path that works for them.
So the reason I wanted to join the Women in Business Academy was when I read the program details, it was very clear that they had a lot of emphasis on leadership. Literally the book on which the academy is based is called Take the Lead. And that was really important for me to meet empowering leaders in different professional fields, because I see myself becoming a leader someday, and it was really important for me to learn from their experiences and take away insights for my future.
So the academy was based on the book Take the Lead, which contains 7 C's, and 2 of the C's are indeed connections and champions. So we worked a lot with the participants about how to create meaningful, long-standing relationships, connections, and how to find the people who will help you in your career and will become your champions. Lots of the alumni and friends they met gave them lots of practical tips, very, very different tips, which could go from send Christmas cards to find the right partner, and then they will again each find what works for them, and we hope will find their own way.
I decided to join this academy because I feel it's very important to fostering leadership opportunities for women who aspire to break into very highly competitive industries like finance, consulting and others. And as I aspire to build a strong career in investment banking, I feel it's very important to have a structured mentorship and hands-on workshops to help us to achieve some top leadership position that feel very underrepresented in this kind of fields.
And we could structure a course that I think stick to our core values as individuals and humans. It's not only about being a woman, but being able to be yourself in your career. And I think I wanted to create something that I would have loved to have when I was a student. So that's how we imagine it together.
One lesson that I keep from this academy is the fact that there are many ways to success, and you shouldn't be following blindly the paths of other people. You should stick to your values, stay true to yourself, and do what you want to do.
We do acknowledge that it's important to hear all your team members to make sure that their opinions are valued, but that does not mean you have to please everyone, and that you should also take your opinion into consideration, because sometimes as women we forget about what we think and what we stand for while trying to make sure everyone else is happy.
So I really, really hope and believe that nothing is closed for these wonderful women who are all very motivated, strong and inspiring themselves. And so I really hope that they do not think there is any industry they could not start their career in. And if they put their mind to it, they will achieve what they are looking for.
To all the women and men who are watching this video out there, take the lead!